Let's go. Hey, man. So I got way more comfortable on my bike. Hey, we bobbing. Hey, I'm excited for this, man. So we're going to a little meet, San Clemente. Like I said, I'm in California, man. In the military. My boy Mendez with me. We about to be lit. Got a little cop right here. We saw him earlier. I think he just cooling though. But he pulling a lot of people over today though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh baby, look at my boy Mendez right here, man. We good. Hey man, this is a beautiful day. A beautiful day for me on a Saturday. Yes, sir. I don't even know, man. I joined because I was asking my parents for too much money. But if y'all ever join, just go into something that you think you'll like doing. Like the infantry, I'm an 0311 by trade, so I'm a grunt. So that means I pretty much go to the field and shoot, but it's different everywhere you go. Some commands are good, some commands are bad. It's just like having a manager at a, at a business. And some of them will treat you crappy, some will treat you really well. But sometimes the military won't really, you might get in trouble, they might not try to help you out. Sometimes you might get in trouble, they'll help you out. So it all depends. It all depends. I would say if you don't got much going on for yourself, then I would say join the military, but that's up to you. It's a personal choice. My experience has been great. I've been through a lot of courses throughout my time. I've only been there for like 4.5, 5 years, and I've enjoyed it, man. I made a lot of boys, and we're family at the end of the day. A lot of them have got out, and my life is kind of like sad, but this is a new group, running with these dudes, man. I'd really be chilling and having a blast, man. I'm just real thankful for my life, but if you don't got all your friends that's gonna be doing the same stuff, man, smoking, joking, they ain't doing nothing with their life, you know what I'm saying? Like, do something different. The military ain't gonna hurt you. Hey, you might get a bonus of worth, $30,000 for joining, but it depends what you go into. The Navy, has a toxic chain of command, and I know I've worked with the Navy side by side, and it's really not that good, to be honest. The military, like the Marine Corps, I love it. But it's just, I don't know. I think you gotta take it with a grain of salt what people say. Like I said, if you join your experience might not be like mine. I'm a swim instructor. I'm also a jungle warfare training instructor. I'm a shooting coach. I've done almost a lot of things, man. And I gotta make sure my boy good back there. And I've done a lot of things in my career, and it's been a great time, man. Some boys, like, dude, this is crappy. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna go do this. I've had some friends that have been in, and they struggled after they got out. And it's like, oh, the military sets you up for success. No, like, my job doesn't get a lot of time to do college work. The Navy, you can do a hell of college, but I don't know. I can only speak for my MOS. I'm changing to go to San Diego and move down there, so I'll have a lot more highway and content on the highway. Hey, I'm loading up these videos super slow. I'm just trying to show y'all, like, hey, I'm getting better on the bike. Y'all saw my first time on the bike, not really shifting. And you know, I just gotta get better with that or whatnot. And I feel real comfortable with it now on the road. But I hope y'all having a good day. Hope y'all having a good time. Rod, Rez, my boy Mendez. Look at this, man. We're going all the way up. I'm selfish. It's a beautiful view, man. Look at that. Crazy. You gotta love it, man. Life is great. Life is amazing. This is beautiful, man. Look at this. You can't get no better than this. I gotta fly my helmet, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Ah! Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. I'm in the back of the group. I'm in my comfort zone. Like I said, beginning rider, bro. I just basically started like 3 weeks ago. I'm having a good time. Look at this. My highest speed I've hit 155.
Bruh.
I do have a race with my boy Mendez. Like, hey, you're gonna be like, I know people in the comments are gonna be like, hey man, you shouldn't be racing at 3 weeks. But I'm telling you, like, when I get into something, man, I learn the most I can. I rode this road yesterday by myself, and I was really leaning the bike. I felt great. But man, look at this. Just wait for it. Look at this. Look at that. Yes, sir. That's beautiful, man. The whole Lake Elsinore. I hope y'all enjoying the ride. Had a good group of dudes. I love the bike community is different. Everyone's here to help each other out. You get into trouble. I was in a Facebook group message last night. Dude was on the side of the road. One of the dudes lived by in the group chat, and you know, he was like, "Yo, I'll come pick you up, help you use the bike." They did. They got home safe. But like, that's awesome, man. I love that. This music got me bumping. My underwear is fucking me up right now. I ain't gonna lie. Underwear got me messed up right now. Look at this, beautiful mountains. So we ride through Ortega, these curves, they get aggressive as you go on. Not too bad. Just gotta push that bike left and right. I just hit a moth. Just killed a bug, I'm sorry. Use that good technique. Don't use the brakes in the corners. Always look through your corners as well. That's what you learn in the class and in school. Push the bike. If you need to, lean with the bike. Like I said, I rode this thing yesterday. Real smooth, man. I was doing really good. I was proud of myself. Like this is a beginner channel. This ain't nobody for, if you into street racing, I always say go to D's channel. I'm gonna get up to that level though. I'm not sure of his experience on bikes already. Before, I think he grew up motocrossing or whatever. But this is my first bike ever in my life. Like, I've never ridden a dirt bike, no, none of that, man. I've never even touched a four-wheeler. Like, I just never thought about that's something I would get into. But you know, you always see motorcycles as a kid, and you're like, oh my god, that's so cool. My aunts, they know how to ride bikes. Aunt Rachel and Gail, they know how to ride bikes. But you know, I never really thought about it until my friend's like, yo, you should probably get a bike. It'll be cheaper when you move. And that's what I did. And then I saw D's channel like a little bit before that in Fast Lane D, and I was like, I really could get a bike, man. It looks like adventure. It looks fun. You meet people, and yeah, it's not that bad getting a bike. Not that bad at all. I do hate these little construction roads right here though. It makes it uneven. When I was first on, alright, I was new, I was dumb. I used to push the bike down. Like, I used to push this down. But you gotta push it forward. Pushing forward, pushing forward, pushing forward, pushing forward. And watch how the bike moves. Push forward, push forward, push forward, push forward. It makes the bike lean super, super easy. So right here, push forward, right there. Yeah. I can be straight up. I don't need to lean too much yet. Push forward. You know, sometimes you gotta think like, hey, I could wreck today. But let's go, man. My boy Mendez, he's happy for me. He knows I'm doing well. I've been riding without him. But he finally got to come to the meet this time. He's always been wanted somebody to ride with. Hey, look, he got me, he got D, he got Rez. It's a family, man. It's a family. I don't even know these dudes like that. But, you know, we ride bikes. That's something that we can talk about. Go out to eat, bike meets. You know, it's a vibe, man. Like, have fun, man. Like, you just got to take in this sight. Like, look at that. Like, it is straight beautiful. That's crazy, man. God is good, man. God is good. I love it out here. God is good. California, definitely the most beautiful state, but the most toxic state. My batteries haven't came in with the GoPro yet. I'm waiting on them. They said it was gonna get here Friday, but they didn't. So they come on Monday, and I'm just getting the content, editing. Takes a while, but just be patient. I thank y'all for joining the ride with me. My journey of, you know, learning to bike. So you guys get to see parts of California. If you guys ever don't travel, you guys get to see it from me. But we mobbing, baby, we mobbing. We out here, all the exotics. Beautiful day. We're gonna be going out to San Diego on the bikes. All the bikes is over there. We're having a good old time, man. Got a little crowd right here. See what's going on. Beautiful, beautiful. Gotta love it, man. Oh, we got a little man right there. Look at that. He vibing. All the vets. Man, this is a good time. Like all this community, people talking, eating, shopping at the same time. We about to get on these bikes though. D ready? Mendez ready? Rez ready?
You got any tools on you?
What?
You got any tools on you?
Man, this is what it's all about right here, man. A lot of bikes out here. Just having a good time for the grand opening San Diego store. Ever in San Diego, come to the car wash. Bikes too, so I'm moving down here in a month. So this is gonna be my spot to come get my car detailed and my bike cleaned. So. We mobbing.